Let's take a look at a guided tour that Ascend provides when you first log into your Ascend environment. In this tutorial, we're going to be first creating a data flow and then adding a read connector, a transform, and a data feed to that data flow. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a data flow. To do this, we're just going to give it a name and then hit create. Now that we have our data flow, let's start ingesting some data. So first we'll create a connection to Amazon S3. We'll do this by giving this connection a name, specifying which bucket we want to read from, and then testing the connection. Looks like all the tests have passed, so we can go ahead and create the connection. Now we can use it. So Ascend will let you browse the subdirectories within your bucket, so you can actually find the data that you're looking for. So in this case, we're going to go through a guided tour, NYC taxi, weather, and click select on this weather CSV file. All right, it looks like Ascend has already filled in some of the information for us. So let's just go ahead and give this a name. All right, and then let's select the parser. In this case, it's going to be CSV. We want to make sure we specify that this file has header rows. And then we're going to hit generate schema. All right, it looks like we were able to generate the schema from the file as well as get a preview of some of the records in that file. So let's go ahead and create this read connector. And now we're going to create a transform coming off of this read connector. So let's first give it a name. Let's specify what kind of transform we want to create. So in this case, we're going to create a Spark SQL transform. And then let's grab this query and paste it in. Once we have that, we can go ahead and hit create again. And now we've created a transform off of this initial read connector. Finally, we're going to want to be able to create a data feed. So let's go ahead and give this data feed a name. Let's select the data feed. Let's select the upstream for the data feed. In this case, it's weather transform, and hit create. All right, and that's the end of our tour. With this tour, you create a data flow and create your very first pipeline within that data flow. If you ever wanted to access this tutorial again, just go onto the Help tab and hit Restart Tutorial. Thanks so much for watching.